perfect preparation for the Tour of Karamoja 2022, taking place from the 22nd of October up to the 29th. So I'm calling all of you, if you're still doubting, can I join? Am I fit enough? This is the perfect thing to join. Takes place every weekend. You can check our partners of Red Dirt Bicycles, Ultimate Cycling, Enduro Coffee, Banange Beer, Bright Life, any of your favorite guys. Check on the websites and of course of the Tour of Karamoja. It's free to join and it's really the best preparation. Because we're cycling like 75 kilometers. There are hills, there's sloping, there's good roads, bad roads. If you can do this, you're ready for the Tour of Karamoja. And it's not late. So join us next weekend and start maybe with a delicious cup of coffee of Enduro and we'll see you here.
From your breakfast, from your breaks. So yeah, we'll have Enduro coffee along at the break points. So please don't miss out. Those who are still on the edge, yeah, make that commitment. Join us for Tour Karamoja. The organizers are doing the route so it's safe. Let's head over to Karamoja come October.